Hello everyone. Today we discuss the ordinary differential equation of first order and first degree, the type homogeneous equation. This chapter is basically important for BCA and BSc courses. So let's start with few important problems. Solve the differential equation x dy minus y dx equal to root over x square plus y square dx. So, to solve this, first we divide the original equation by x square. We get d of y by x equal to 1 by x root over 1 plus y square by x square dx. Now, using separation of variable, we get d of y by x by root over 1 plus y square by x square equal to dx by x. Now, integrating both sides, we get log mod y by x plus root over 1 plus y square by x square equal to log mod x plus log mod c, where c be the arbitrary constant. That gives us y by x plus root over 1 plus y square by x square equal to cx. That is y plus root over x square plus y square equal to cx square, which is the answer. Next, another important problem. Solve that differential equation 1 plus e to the power x by y dx plus e to the power x by y into 1 minus x by y dy equal to 0. Now look at the equation here. It's given that 1 plus e to the power x by y. So first, to solve this, we consider x by y equal to v, since the whole equation is a homogeneous type of equation. So let's start with taking x equal to yv. First, differentiating both sides with respect to y, we get dx dy equal to v plus y dv dy. That gives us 1 plus e to the power v into v plus y into dv dy plus e to the power v into 1 minus v equal to 0. That gives us v plus v into e to the power v plus y into 1 plus e to the power v dv dy plus e to the power v minus v to the power v equal to 0. Now v to the power v and minus v to the power v cancel out, which gives us, after using separation of variable, 1 plus e to the power v by v plus e to the power v dv equal to minus dy by y. Now, taking v plus e to the power v equal to u, which gives us the numerator, that is 1 plus e to the power v dv equal to du. So, that gives us du by u equal to minus dy by y. Again integrating both sides, we get log mod u equal to minus log mod y plus log mod c. That gives us u equal to c by y. Now, substituting the values u first, we get v plus e to the power vy equal to c, and next substituting the values for v, we get x plus y e to the power x by y equal to c, which is our required answer. Next, another important problem, x sin y by x dy equal to y sin y by x minus x into dx. So here we consider y by x equal to v. That gives us dy dx equal to v plus x dv dx. So after substituting this, we get x sin v into v plus x dv dx equal to vx sin v minus x. So from left hand side and right hand side we cancel x and get sin v into v plus dv dx equal to v sin v minus 1. After separating the variables we get sin v dv equal to minus dx by x. Next, integrating both sides we get minus cos v equal to minus log mod x minus c. And after substituting the values for v, we get cos y by x equal to log x plus c, which is the required answer, and c be the arbitrary constant. This is the last problem of my slide, that is, what curve through 1, 1 has at every point dy dx equal to x minus y by x plus y. So this is a very important problem. Now let's start to solve this. Dy dx equal to x minus y by x plus y. First, consider y equal to vx, since this right hand side part is a homogeneous type of equation. Now, dy dx equal to v plus x dv dx. Substituting this we get v plus x dv dx equal to x minus vx by x plus vx. Now cancel the x from lower part and upper part, we get 1 minus v by 1 plus v. Again after some calculation we get x dv dx equal to 1 minus 2v minus v square by 1 plus v. Now using separation of variable we get 1 plus v by 1 minus 2v minus v square dv equal to dx by x. Now consider 1 minus 2v minus v square equal to z. Now taking differential we get minus 2v dv equal to dz. So substituting this we get dz by minus 2z equal to dx by x. So integrating both sides we get minus half log z equal to log mod x plus log mod c. That gives us log z to the power minus half equal to log mod x plus log mod c. That gives, after substituting the values and using some calculation, we get x square minus 2xy minus y square whole to the power minus 1 equal to c dash, where c dash be another important constant. Now the original equation passes through the point 1, 1. It is given that. So putting the point 1, 1 in the original equation we get minus half equal to c dash. That gives us x square minus 2xy minus y square equal to minus 2. That implies x square plus 2 equal to 2xy plus y square, which is the required answer. This curve passes through 1, 1 and having that derivative dy dx. Thank you.